Seeds should be sown in July to August for an autumn crop of brinjal, January to February for the summer crop, and April for the rainy season crop. Potting mix for seedlings: 30% fine sand plus 30% garden soil plus 40% compost. Eggplant seeds germinate at temps between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and seedlings will emerge in 7 to 10 days. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch, 6 mm, deep with good quality potting soil in flats or cell containers. Place it in the partially shaded area until seeds start germination. Make sure that the pots have drainage holes so that they would help to drain out the excess water and balance the level of moisture present in the soil. Place the soil in a loose manner into your pot, but make sure that it is not getting compressed. Now, these plants are ready to transplant in a big size pot. Use a 12 to 15 inches size pot to grow a healthy brinjal plant. Potting mix: 30% garden soil plus 30% fine sand plus 40% cow manure. A soil pH of 5.5 to 7.0, acidic to neutral. Here I am going to grow 2 plants in this large planter. Place it in the partially shaded area for the next 7 to 10 days and after that shift it to direct sunlight. Brinjal plants require full sunlight in winter and partial sunlight in summer. Therefore, place your potted plants according to the season. An outdoor location which receives full sun is a perfect one, as both sun and light are important for the promotion of good yield. Brinjal plants will survive in the soil which is warm. When the plant starts blooming, use organic fertilizer over a gap of 15 days. Here, I'm going to use bone meal fertilizer. It is an organic fertilizer which is good for growing vegetable plants. Remove large size leaves and it will help to produce more yield as well as keep your plants more healthy. It will reduce the attack of pests also. You can start harvesting your brinjal plants once you see that their skin is looking glossy. If you enjoy the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and which kind of videos you want to watch, mention it in the comment box.